Okay, dear children, this is chapter number 3 and we'll continue with weather instruments. Now, there are different weather instruments. First, we'll take an instrument for measuring temperature. So, all of you know, temperature is the measure of how hot or cold the air is. So, it is measured using a thermometer. Hot air has high temperature than cold air. And when the air is extremely cold, it has negative temperature. You just have to keep in mind, and it is depicted by the minus sign. The freezing point is 0 degrees. And remember, the boiling point is 100 degrees centigrade. Now, one more thing to remember is that thermometer measures temperature in Fahrenheit, Celsius and Kelvin. And this Fahrenheit scale is mostly used in United States. And the use of Celsius is more common in the rest of the world. So in this figure you'll see two types of thermometers are shown. Now this is thermometer, a normal one. Okay, it has a mercury. When the temperature, if the temperature is high, the level of mercury will expand, right? It will increase. Now, next one is 6 maximum and minimum thermometer, which measures the maximum as well as minimum temperature. Now, here you'll see the temperature marked with degree Fahrenheit are recorded using Fahrenheit scale. So, water freezes at 32 degree Fahrenheit and boils at 212 degree Fahrenheit. Now, as we have learned in our previous page, that Fahrenheit scale is used in United States, right? Next is degree centigrade. So it is marked as C, okay, or it is also called Celsius or centigrade. Now this scale of temperature, when we see the freezing point, water freezes at 0 degree as compared to the Fahrenheit scale. See, the water freezes over here at 32 degree Fahrenheit, but in terms of Celsius, it is 0 degree, and water boils at 100 degree centigrade. When we take the unit centigrade, we use water boils at 100 degree centigrade. But in Fahrenheit scale, it boils at 212 degree Fahrenheit scale. So you have to learn this. Then, as I told you that the temperature measuring instrument, thermometer and 6 maximum minimum thermometer was shown in the previous page. So this is used, 6 maximum and minimum thermometer is used to measure the maximum and minimum temperature throughout the day, right? Next is humidity. Humidity, as we learned, that it is the amount of water vapor present in the air. And there are two types of humidity, absolute and relative humidity, that we have done in our previous page. Now, relative humidity is usually expressed as percentage, right? It's over here. You'll find the formula given. Relative humidity is amount of water vapor in a given volume of air at a given temperature, and upon maximum amount of water vapor, the same volume can hold at the same temperature multiplied by 100. So here the amount of water vapor can be calculated. So we can find out that how much air, like water vapor, does the air holds. Okay, how much humidity does the air has. And the instrument to measure the relative humidity is hygrometer. It measures the water vapor in the atmosphere. This is the figure which shows our hygrometer. Okay. Next is air pressure. Now, air pressure is the pressure exerted on a unit area on the earth's surface by gases present in the air or atmosphere. So the atmospheric pressure in one place may differ from that of another place and from time to time, okay, from one time to other. So you'll find that as we go high up in the atmosphere, as we go high in the atmosphere, the air becomes thin and exerts less pressure. So with the increase in altitude is height, the atmospheric pressure decreases. That is how the air becomes thin. Now Barometer is an instrument to measure the atmospheric pressure, and atmospheric pressure is measured in millibars, and 1013, that is 1013 millibars, is considered to be the normal atmospheric pressure. Next, children, you'll find over here the mercury barometer. This is mercury barometer. Now you know mercury is a liquid which expands on heating. So you'll find in this figure the air pressure is being exerted over here. Okay, here we have the mercury. Okay, there's a vacuum, no air over here. What happens when the air pressure